I did that today on Saturday when the market is closed, because I have open positions. I don't want to compromise the trading. And the first I see here now is that the spread is correct. We see now 30 points spread. It's exactly what we have. Euro USD 30 points. So it's okay. But how we can check the indicators? We updated now the data, and I'm going to compare this data with what I have in MetaTrader in the backtester, because I have to be sure that the data, the indicators values, and the signals are absolutely same what I have in the backtester. So I want the backtesting performance to be absolutely relevant to what I see here in the trader. So what I'll do, I'll move that here like that. I don't need that here, and I'll go to Forex Strategy Builder. And this is my first strategy. I go to the indicator chart, because in the indicator chart I can see the indicators parameters. This one is the last bar. We can use here the shortcut keys A and Z to go up and down to see the whole data. But something is wrong. I'm not in the first strategy here. Let's go from the first to the first. Euro M15 first. Indicator chart. And let's compare the data. What we have, bar opening 1.1189. Why is different? $11.94. Bar opening is different. Is that the last bar? Oh yes, it was not the last bar selected. So you see here the information is dynamic, and I have to point the marker on the last bar. So now I have here 11.94. The next indicator is moving average crossover. It consists of two moving averages, and we see 112.100, 112.0999. Here the MetaTrader chart shows this to the 6 digits, and here we see to the 50 digits. This is for the greater performance, but it's not, around it it's virtually the same. No problem. This is 12.25, 12.25.02. It is the same. And the signal is yes, no, yes, no. This is Fisher transform indicator. Minus 0.8726, minus 0.87265. The spread indicator works only in trader mode. It cannot work in the backtester mode, because the historical data has no they have no spread information, and that's why the spread is constant. If you go to the editor and click on the indicator, I don't see it. Okay, we have here a warning message that the indicator works properly on a trader mode. The indicator shows a constant spread in the backtesting mode, and this is the spread what we set in the control panel symbols. So let's continue. What we have here? No, this is the last. Fisher transform spread rail pro. Let's go down to Z, and we have day closing.